Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. God renews my mind in me. When I think thoughts dark or wrong, Jesus helps me stay strong. My mind belongs to Jesus. Hip, hip, hooray. He fills my heart with joy each day. No fear, no doubt can stay too long. With Jesus, my mind stays strong. Romans 12 verse 2, I know God's word helps my heart to grow. When I'm sad or feeling small,